Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z.
I'm B.
I'm G.
And you all know Zeus, or at least his butt at this point. Today we're bringing an episode of Z's Lunchbox. Because here at Wendy's, they have introduced the Meal of Misfortune.
There's nothing happy about this meal.
I mean, I find it enjoyable. At least part 2. Season 2, at least part 1 of season 2 that Wednesday on Netflix just came out. So this is like their big promotional thing. No spoilers here. I don't know, have you guys watched?
No, we haven't watched it yet.
Nothing.
Did you watch
I
season
didn't watch
1?
Yeah.
previews.
Okay. No spoilers. I watched all 4 episodes. It's awesome. Go watch it. But the other day going to Wendy's and seeing tombstones, I took pictures because they're amazing at the drive-thru. We had to be a part of this. So the meal itself is a 10-piece chicken nugget, fries, and a Raven's Blood Frosty.
Yeah, yours is chocolate, mine is vanilla. It comes with vanilla, you have to request the chocolate.
Yeah, I didn't know that until thankfully you told me. So it's supposed to be vanilla with red. Is it cherry?
Is it cherry?
I think it's supposed to be black cherry.
And the reason we kind of went, okay, we have to do this. Well, I'm obsessed with chicken nuggets. It's spooky, and it's technically a mystery. They have introduced 4 new sauces with dips of dread. So, and when I say mystery, it is like one of our mystery unboxings.
Yeah, you don't know what you get, so you can't even ask like the people for...
Yeah, I asked for extra sauces, and it's just a grab bag. So,
It's got a big question mark.
the meal comes with 2. I purchased 4 extra. I'm hoping we get all 4.
Those are the sauces.
Nowhere to woe. Grave mistake. You can't hide when it's going hard, and this will sting.
Now, the You Can't Hide has a red skull, so I'm wondering if that's the extra spicy one.
That's the one I'm looking forward to.
It says, you don't get to know which Inferno-inspired sauce you got, so I get to enjoy the look on your face when you find out, and so do you.
So apparently Wednesday is from the Addams Family is watching us and mocking us, and that's lovely. We thought there was no way to know.
It technically is. The FDA requires that all food have its ingredients listed. So there's a different listing on each sauce. But you kind of have to know what the ingredients are going in, which should be, I don't know, maybe someone will have that online. But they don't technically have to put the sauce name on here, just the ingredients.
Oh my god. The spoon you get with the Frosty? We always put something on the trophy shelf. I'm gonna save the spoon. But I say before the food gets cold, we have some sauces to try.
Ooh.
Oh god.
What is that? Something that's a deep,
Like
Oh.
it's somewhere between blood red and maroon. We should have dressed up goth for this.
Yeah, we should. Well, at least kind of all blacker.
Yeah.
I got like a light, almost looks like a
Oh.
darker ranch. Then a very dark
I didn't know
sauce.
what mine
Oh.
Oh,
And then
okay.
there's the purple. Okay, so
We did it.
We have all 4.
was. Once again, as the resident hothead, I'm just going to be laughing at all of you. I got spicy nuggets on top of it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This
That one? The blood looking one.
It's got a good tingle to it. Yeah, it's got some spice.
It's like a tiny, I don't know what.
It's like fruity.
Yeah.
Fruity and tangy.
Alright, so the next one is this
That looks like a pink. That's like a purple.
purple. It's purple.
Yeah. Fruity, peppery.
Oh, that one's hotter.
Mhm.
That one's hotter.
That definitely has some more like either a habanero or chipotle in it because it's a little smoky.
Yeah, there is a bit of smokiness. So far, these are 2 really good sauces.
That
Most
one's
packet
got a
sauces let me down. I'm picky when it comes to sauces. These are good.
This one I think is going to be really sweet. I think it's going to be like a sweet Thai kind of thing. Oh, look at that. Yeah, do you see?
It's almost black.
Oh,
And
oh my
it's-
god.
and
It's like
it's like
maple
honey.
syrup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if it is a honey sauce.
Alright, so this one looks like it. I think you are right. I think this is going to be like a
This
spicy
is the
ranch.
one.
Ooh,
Mmm.
that one's surprising me.
Yeah, that's definitely the spicy ranch.
You can tell who the lightweight is. That's what I figured this would be when I heard it was spicy sauces. I was like, I'm gonna die. G's not gonna flinch.
That one is surprisingly, like, it has a
Yeah.
good amount of heat.
I wish we could at least name them, so we're saying like.
Because we don't know which one's which.
Let's see.
Wait a second. This is going to sting because it's honey.
Oh my god. Okay.
I love a good pun.
And then the red one
Yeah,
must be
right.
red. This one's literally purple. Are they color coded?
Maybe.
Everything is named. The spoon of gloom. Whoever's job it was to make like, hey, here at Wendy's we want to do a promotion with Wednesdays. They understood the assignment. Like they went above and beyond.
Oh, it says it's Wednesdays, not Wendy's.
Always-
And this is why you need the frosty.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't try my frosty.
You didn't try it.
I'm trying to fry the frosty.
Oh. As we all start to sniffle. So it's good for the sinuses. But yeah, overall, the packaging and the marketing in general, A+. Yeah, overall, I am thoroughly impressed.
If you're trying
Because
to,
this one's
if you're
pretty spicy too.
trying to figure out which is which, figure out which one can speak to the dead. That's the medium sauce.
And on that note, we made this entire video just for that pun. I think Wednesday would the entire Addams family would be proud of that pun. Well, thank you so much for tuning us in and watching us eat them. As I keep
Melting our
sniffling,
faces.
yeah, melting our tongues and faces.
This isn't a paid promotion, by the way, but we can be.
Buy us Wendy's, it'd be great. I'm not asking for a mansion or fancy cars, just chicken nuggets. I measure my happiness
Chicken
in
nuggets
chicken nuggets.
and frosties.
Like if it was Scrooge McDuck, I wouldn't be swimming. It wouldn't be a pool of coins. First of all, because when you dove into it, you would die. I would have a pool of chicken nuggets. I would dive into. I feel I would. Okay, maybe not diving head first, but
I really feel like I want you to be in an action film. So I want the scene where like, there's one more for the team. He's tenacious, he's clever, and he's deadly. And we can pay him in chicken nuggets. Just from behind shows you like tying the headband on.
I mean, it's not wrong. That is quite accurate.
I may not be large, but I am feisty. I will bite and I fight dirty, and I work for chicken nuggets. If you're hiring. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. We got chicken nuggets to eat. We gotta wrap this video up before they go cold.